Good afternoon, everybody. This is JW with Peterbilt SoCo, Rush Truck Center, Southern Colorado. Hey, I wanted to share this truck with you. It just arrived, and so I was just fortunate enough to be in the Denver yard to get some video on this and get it up on the channel because I have a lot of interest in this one already. We have two of them. 2019 Peterbilt 567. This one is running a 450 horse Cummins. It's very hard to get dump trucks in stock, so I can't tell you how excited I am. So a 450 Cummins. This one is the X15 Efficiency Series. PACCAR fuel filter, remote lube. I tell everybody in all my videos to make sure that when you guys get your trucks and you're going to use that remote lube, to put a few extra squirts of grease in there, because there isn't any manufacturers that I'm aware of that will ensure that that grease is getting back there to the clutch bearing. So on this truck we're running front disc brakes. Reduced stopping speed. That is standard on all Peterbilt trucks. This is the Metin front hood. It's a three-piece hood bonded together. Very, very tough. Very light, very, very tough. Much tougher than what we've been running with our older fiberglass hoods, so you don't get those stress cracks in there. Of course, we always run stainless grills standard. Halogen headlights. And I wanted to show this to you. A lot of guys are spending extra money to have a single toe pintle here in the middle, when a much more efficient option here is these two tow hooks that are actually built into the frame. It'll cut your cost back a lot further, and it's just a really good value. A little bit of way to cut cost and still have what you need. So we did the mirrors to match on this truck. They are heated power mirrors. Engine block heater. So this one here is one of our bodybuilders, Colt, out of Sterling, Colorado. They do a lot of rock boxes for us. This one is a full round rock box, made for the mountains of Colorado, of course. 100-gallon tank. Hook bolts throughout the frame. I talk about hook bolts a lot. They're a really great option for customers who want to not have to worry about retorquing. So this one here is running drum brakes in the rear, 24/5 tires, and it is running the Peterbilt Air Track suspension. It's a very, very good, reliable, strong suspension system. High lift tailgate. And they did a nice job of tucking the glad hands in here with your trailer hookup. Asphalt lip. This one here we run the 5-inch stack. And this one here is about 36 inches height. Take a quick peek on the inside. This truck does have an 18-speed. They put additional lights here behind the cab. There's also additional wiring, as you can see here, for strobes and floodlights, additional floodlights. But you can see my buddy Mike Adams spec'd this truck here with additional floodlights right here. And that way, if you have to have the body up, do any night operations, you can. I think this one was running the Prestige interior. Dual axle lock. And there you have it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is JW, 970-518-5520. If you like to look at this and some of the other trucks, just click on the orange truck in the bottom right-hand corner and subscribe. And we'll talk to you soon.